Cyclone Montha has intensified into a severe cyclonic storm and is now moving closer to landfall near Kakinada. Its impact is already being felt across parts of Odisha, particularly along Puri coast. On Tuesday, waves at the Puri sea beach became noticeably stronger and wind speeds increased significantly as the cyclone continued its approach toward the Andhra coast. Reports indicate that several parts of southern Odisha have already started experiencing heavy rainfall accompanied by gusty winds. District administrations remain on high alert, coordinating efforts to prevent any adverse incidents as weather conditions deteriorate. Officials are continuously monitoring vulnerable zones to ensure a timely response in case of emergencies. Similar weather effects have been observed in other coastal regions of Odisha, with stronger sea waves and rising wind speeds. Although there was little rainfall on Tuesday morning, the city had experienced showers on Monday night. The weather remained mostly clear and sunny for much of Tuesday before turning cloudy later in the day. Authorities have made extensive precautionary arrangements along the coastline as waves at Puri beach grow more forceful. Red flag warning zones have been marked and southern districts of Odisha are now under red alert.